继续来看，川普伫北京举办着投资美国的记者会，邀请到世界各大企业的负责人来参加。回答的执行长黄仁勋是逢邀请就台来致辞。黄仁勋讲，因当咧努力要借助 AI 伫美国来打造未来工厂。那川普就讲到黄仁勋是俄罗甲特质。
The man that's done in a short period of time something that is incredible. He's the founder, CEO, and president of NVIDIA. Jensen Huang.
一介绍到俄罗斯的特质，美国总统川普甲全世界出名企业放英雄协办投资美国的记者会，回答的执行长黄仁勋甲川普内阁官员坐伫头一排，可见对伊有真悬的期待。
We've reinvented computers again. This is what a processor looks like. It's on the right there. People say it's a GPU. We're going to build NVIDIA's technology, the next generation of that, all here in the United States.
黄仁勋表示讲，回答将采用 AI 机器人甲数位孪生技术，伫美国打造未来工厂。伊感谢川普推动能源政策，用稳定进步的能源作为回答的靠山。另外，交生公司的董事长兼执行长嘛出席川普讲一个笑话。
Johnson & Johnson. Oh, I know. I've heard of that company, huh? Yeah. My hair looks so beautiful because of your product.
严国共一讲出来，今年头一季经济成绩单啊，却有淡薄仔失去 ，GDP 萎缩0.3%，是2022年以来头一摆出现负的。道琼工业指数一个开盘就动摆失守4万点的大关，一直到尾盘才扭转来，最后是小起尔。川普将1、2、3月经济无好，拢撒互前总统拜登。
And I have to start off by saying that's Biden, that's not Trump, because we came in on January. This is the quarterly numbers. And we came in, and I was very against everything that Biden was doing.
虽然川普进前的演说讲物价正在明显的落价，不过 GDP 报告显示讲，联准会上关心的个人消费支出的物价指数，为今年一季2.4%，已经升到3.6%，再加上关税效应，万物拢起价，就惊讲美国钱会愈来愈薄。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。